guys, and welcome back to the craft table. The last pour that I did, the Dutch pour with the rainbow colors, turned out so pretty, and I just love they popped so much. I thought I would celebrate Pride Month just a little bit more, and I'm going to try a ring pour. So I have my leftover paints. I've added a little bit more water because they sat for overnight anyway. And I've got a little bit of white. I don't know if I'm going to use it, but I've got some white just in case. And I'm going to do one tile at a time. Now if I've got leftovers, I'll do the 4 small ones, but I want to do one big one right now. And enough talking about it. Let's get to work, shall we? This is still very wet. It's only been maybe a half an hour, but oh my gosh, I never, ever in my wildest dreams expected this. I wish you could see it personally because it actually looks like melted gold. It looks like I used metallics at least, but I did not. All the colors are in there. The greens, the blues, the yellows, the oranges, the reds. It's absolutely stunning in person. And as shiny as it is right now, because it's still wet, after it's resined, it will go back to this, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Another happy surprise. That is why I love paint pouring so much, because you never know what you're going to get. This does not even resemble a ring pour that I'm used to. This is beautiful. It's dramatic Even the composition is nice. It's amazing. So I have leftover paints. So I will be using them again, probably in my next video. But I know I'm never going to be able to duplicate this. So the next time maybe I'll layer. I will learn to speak one of these days. I don't know when, but one of these days. I'll layer white in between each one to give it a white ring, and then the color maybe. We'll see. The fun part is experimenting and the happy surprises. I want to thank you all for spending this little amount of time with me. It is so much fun to have you visit, 2-3 times a week. I love it. Absolutely love it. You guys are the best. And you have a great week. And I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.